Okay, people, let's take a look at a map of North America. See Wyoming? This state is home to one of the world's most dangerous supervolcanoes, Yellowstone. Despite its ominous nature, thousands of tourists flock here every year to admire its beauty. However, the thing is, things could soon change. Scientists have found new evidence that this volcano is much more dangerous than we thought. In this video, we dive into the terrifying discoveries scientists have made about Yellowstone. Namely, the Yellowstone Caldera is known as a supervolcano because the next big eruption could cause global devastation. We're talking about eruptions that happened 2.1 million, 1.3 million, and 640,000 years ago. Based on the average time between these eruptions, we may actually be overdue for another one. The US Geological Survey, USGS, is certainly paying attention to this and has been monitoring unusual activity with seismographs around Yellowstone National Park. Now, Yellowstone is like a hidden supervolcano waiting to erupt in western Wyoming. Scientists have found that this bad boy has erupted at least 10 times in the last 16 million years. A 2017 study suggested there may have been an earlier eruption than we thought, but it's likely to have been smaller. When these supervolcanoes erupt, they eject huge columns of ash that can be thousands of feet thick, leaving giant holes in the ground called calderas. Dr. George Cooper, from Cardiff University's School of Earth and Environmental Sciences, explained that super-eruptions can start either with a big bang or more gradually before everything goes bad. These eruptions can be fast and violent, lasting only a few days or lasting decades. This unpredictability makes it very difficult to predict when and how these volcanoes will erupt in the future. Seismologist Shenghua Wang from the University of Utah has made a major breakthrough by mapping a continuous volcanic system beneath Yellowstone. This includes the upper crustal magma chamber we have seen before and the lower crustal magma reservoir that has never been imaged before. According to geophysicist Peter Savelli, this finding fills the missing link between eruptions and magma chambers. According to the USGS, supervolcanoes can eject more than 1,000 cubic kilometers of pyroclastic material and score at least 8 on the volcanic explosivity index. Fortunately, these massive eruptions are incredibly rare, occurring only about once every 100,000 years. But researchers say we need more training to spot the signs of buried magma and the activity that leads to an eruption. Misinformation about Yellowstone could lead to public panic over a catastrophic eruption, which is unlikely to happen anytime soon. Cardiff University researchers analyzed geochemical and petrographic data from 13 super-eruptions over the last 2 million years, including the Taupo volcano in New Zealand. These studies showed that there is no single model for how these eruptions start. Some take weeks or months to start, while others erupt quickly and violently. For example, the Toba eruption 74,000 years ago was almost instantaneous, while the Oruanoi eruption 25,000 years ago started slowly and lasted for months. A super-eruption would be a once-in-a-lifetime catastrophe that could change the world as we know it. The full scale of destruction is hard to predict, but we can expect things like a rapid drop in global temperatures. If Yellowstone erupts again, let's hope it's not anytime soon. But hey, if you think Yellowstone is scary, click on the next video where I'll show you an underwater volcano where scientists are scrambling for answers. See you there.